In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website using the Hostinger website builder by adjusting the typography to suit your unique style and branding. This can really elevate the overall aesthetic of your site, making it more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this with just a few simple steps. To begin, you first want to open the Hostinger website builder. You can easily access it by logging into your Hostinger account and selecting your website project. Once you're in, look for the settings panel. It's usually represented by a gear icon somewhere on your dashboard. This is your control center, where you can find all the tools you need to customize your site. Next, navigate to the design or typography settings. Depending on the version or specific setup of your builder, you might find these options under slightly different categories, but they all lead to the same place. Your website's design settings. Here, you'll be able to see all the fonts currently used on your site, along with other design elements you may want to tweak. If you're looking to use a specific typeface, you can upload your custom font files directly. To do this, find the Upload option and select your font files from your device. Usually, these will be in formats like TTF, OTF, or WOW-F. Importing your own fonts is especially useful if you have a specific brand font that defines your business identity. Alternatively, if you're browsing for inspiration, feel free to explore the available font libraries. These libraries offer a vast selection, providing a range of options from classic serifs to modern sans serifs, and even decorative and script fonts. Once you've picked your fonts, it's time to apply them to your site. You'll see options to set specific fonts for different elements of your web page, such as headings, body text, or even particular buttons and sections. This gives you granular control over the appearance of each component. Remember, you want to maintain a consistent look, so try to choose fonts that complement each other well. A good rule of thumb is to stick with no more than 2 or 3 different fonts across your site to ensure cohesion. Finally, be sure to save your changes. This is an important step as it ensures that all your hard work customizing the typography is successfully preserved. Before you go live, take advantage of the preview feature. This allows you to see exactly how your fonts will look on the actual site, helping you identify any tweaks you might need to make. And there you have it, a simple guide to elevating your website's typography with Hostinger Website Builder. Customizing your fonts not only makes your website more attractive, but also enhances readability and strengthens your brand identity. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!